Kigomano kia mugwanja kia arutani aria mahurukite wira nikiambiriirie muthenya wa umuthi na kiria kihingurirwo ni Minister wa Githomo Professor George Magoha mwena wa Mombasa. Kuringana na Professor George Magoha, bururi wa Kenya uri na andu milioni 47, uu ni kuuga ati kuri na family milioni 12 na hari namba ino no andu 450 mari na mawira maria meregereire gukarihwo marihi ma muthithu wao kana pension marikia kuhuruka wira. Namba ya aria matari na mawira mehokete gukamukira kigina kia ukuru ikionekana iri nyingi muno.
We were told this morning that there are only 450,000 of the 47 million in secure pension schemes. And the government of the Republic of Kenya would want a situation where a larger majority are on secure pension schemes.
Formal sector to join the saving for retirement. As a country, we are facing a very bleak future. The numbers, the statistics are really worrisome. So it's important that as media for the state transmit the message. We do have platforms now for schemes which are available, fully digital, and they can be able to save so that we have the person in the street.
Magoha nikitieretana kuri Akenya othe kuigagira muthithu na koroti wa besha nyingi akiuga ati kigina giki ni igateithiriria hanene matuko-ini ma thutha-ini.
We have in the country today, you will argue that quite a number of people are unemployed, but even those who are hawkers, if you decide to save just about 20 pounds, 20 shillings or 10 shillings a day, and you are true to it, then the financial discipline can help you to have something to fall back.
Whether you are a hawker, border, whatever you are, you can be able to save. So it was launched late last year. It's a fully digital platform, and it is available to all Kenyans.
Oho ni maugite Akenya ingi kwaga gwibanga riria mari mawira-ini nikuo gucungiriirie thirikari kuheanaga mbeca cia andu akuru, undu uria ukoretwo ari murigo munene kuri ministry ya kigina. Mbere ya kigomano giki githirite muthenya wa rucio, amemba ni magukorwo mathomithitio maundu megie uhuthiri mwega wa kigina, undu umwe na njira itiganite cia gwibanga riria mundu ari na kigina. Giripotera Kameme TV, ritora kwani Wanjiru wa Foro.